You better watch out, you better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town.
The annual tradition of cake mix goes back many decades ago when the harvest season came in and a lot of fruits and nuts were kept for the coming year. The nuts and fruits were in abundant, was always believed to be a harbinger of good times. So that's how the entire cake mixing evolved. A time for happiness, a time for celebration, and of course when Christmas was coming in, all the families to get together, and this went on for many seasons and many years.
Good evening. So what we have at Cidade is the annual cake mixing which we have, and so we have made it more grander, more bigger. So this time what we have, if you see, you can just, that is the cake mix which is already being mixed now. So we have dry fruits, nuts, we have tutti frutti, almonds, cinnamon powder, pistachio, apricots, prunes, so all the dry fruits, and candied orange, ginger peel. So all those things are there which are already mixed. So we have the alcohol and we mix it, and then this will go for the next year, wherein we'll macerate the fruits and we'll prepare the cake, the festive period cakes and everything that will be done. So this is basically for the entire season coming ahead. And this year we'll be using the mixes that we have from the previous year. So this is the tradition which keeps on going and going.
Only ago we've seen this, not seen it in our country at all.
Really enjoyed it. It was good fun.
Yeah, very good. Never seen it before, but we make a lovely Christmas cake.
This was my first cake mixing and I really enjoyed it. And I did it full heart. बहुत अच्छा लगा मेरे को, बहुत enjoy किया मैंने.